Hello guys, it's a short update on my Transalp project. As you can see, I completely stripped it. It's cleaned, not perfectly, but it's okay. The exhaust is painted. I put on a new MIG Exhaust, very rare one, because the MIG company doesn't exist anymore. I put on some rim stickers and it looks so cool on the front too. And this Transalp, it's got a very common issue. The intakes, the rubber intakes are, these two are defective. You can tell by, first of all, by the backfires. Take a look at the video now. My intake needs replacement. I think it's got some cracks in it or something. This is glorious. People are looking out there. And second, you can tell by the RPM. If you, for example, rev it up a little bit and it won't go down like immediately, it's going to take 1 or 2 seconds for them for the RPMs to go down. And for example, if the bike is on idle, you spray some motor engine start spray on this one or this one. It's going to rev up, so you know there's extra air coming inside the cylinder and won't run properly. So I bought these new ones. Yes, you can see, nice new looking. I'm gonna take this one off. I've already took down the carb, and I'm gonna clean them too. You can see here. Fuel! Damn it! I'm just kidding. Okay, anyways, I changed the coolant fluid. Look, it's new, like it looks like new. I cleaned the bottle, and yeah, besides that, everything is working fine. The bike runs great. I already rode it around with the backfiring all the time, and this thing is horribly loud, and it's great. It sounds just beautiful. So there's going to be a video when I finish the project. And yeah, let's first change these and then see you next time.